2 weeks now in a row. Haven't done anything fun since, well, I don't know. We finally have a few days off and know where we gotta be. So why don't we hop in that jalopy of ours and go see what's out there to see? So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. First stop, we should try that cafe, the one everyone's talking about, and grub until we can't feel our feet, then go and lay down somewhere nice to watch that sunset settling under the streets. That hang with the locals, get a whole lot loco with everyone that we meet. So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. Well, there's nothing better than 48 hours, white lines and what's ahead. The perfect sidekick, my co-pilot, this is as good as it gets. Seeing the world with the wind in our hair, no place we gotta go. Got the speakers on 10, a 2-day weekend, you and I in the open roads. So pack the bags, we're going on a road trip. Just you and I all weekend to have a good time. Well, there's a full tank of gasoline and our favorite playlist full of hits. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip. So let's push play, put it in drive and road trip.
Uptown, spinning around, nothing else to do. My friends, yeah, they all left, and I see you coming through. I'm caught in your eyes, not gonna think twice. Gonna jump on in, that's right, gonna have some fun tonight, baby, with you by my side. 'Cause I am stuck on you, gonna ring that bell, but no fight, baby, what you want, the light. Now my heart is breaking into two. I'm stuck on you. Gonna jump on in, that's right, gonna have some fun tonight, baby, with you by my side. 'Cause I am stuck on you, gonna ring that bell. No fight, baby, watch you walk the line. Now my heart is breaking into two. I'm stuck on you.
Stop me in my tracks. First you're here, then gone in a flash. Might be something, don't let it pass. I'm right here wondering where you're at.